Good morning and welcome to data analysis class. Now, last class we considered the overview of my SQL workbench. So we will be progressing today, and we'll be looking at how to create a database, and as well how to create tables and columns and populating tables with data. Okay, you may be employed in an organization as a database designer or database manager. You should be able to create database using MySQL. So we're looking at how to create a database without code. Now we'll be using our GUI. So to do that, you go to your start button and search for MySQL, and then once you see it, you double click and then it will open. Once you open, then you have your environment loaded. You click on your existing instance and connection, then you will be launched to this environment. So let's quickly proceed and see how to create a database. So to do that, using your GUI, come here, look at this, look at the tools we have here. We have SQL. You click, this is, you can see, for query. But we're not doing that now. What we need to do is we want to create a data because we don't have any database in our environment that we can work with. So you move your cursor across these tools. You see create new schema in the connected server. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will open this way for you to create. You remember in the first class I was saying I will give an assignment to you guys to create a database for supermarkets. Okay, and I pinpointed three different entities. I said we have the supermarket, the products, okay, we have the customer, and then we have the purchase or the order. And I said when you are showing the map in the relationship, you're supposed to show how it relates, the different tables connect to one another. So you can have the database have multiple tables depending on the problem you are trying to solve. Okay, so let's quickly do this. So the database we are creating for is for supermarket. So I will title this supermarket. Okay, now we have this. I will leave it here and I'll leave this one here too. Okay, and I'll click on apply. You can see that is data dictionary language. The default is on default, algorithm is on default. Then you click on apply. All right, you successfully created a database, that is a schema. Okay, now the next thing we'll be doing is we'll be creating tables on it. So you come to your navigator. Don't forget I showed you this in the last class, and then click on the drop down here. Immediately you click on the drop down, you see tables. Okay, then you right click on tables, then you click on create table. Create table. All right, yes, we now have our table. Now what I want to do is I want to maintain certain view. I don't want this view now, so I will uncheck this. Okay, because I want to be seeing my column. I'll be creating column alongside. So the first table we'll be creating here is for the product itself. Okay, so product table. So then once you do that, you can then come here and click on the column. All right, so let's put this as variable char. I know by now you know what is variable char. Variable char, okay, is a primary key. Okay, so I'm selecting variable char, meaning combination of numbers and letter. That's what I want to use for my column, the data type for my ID product. Okay. We in the last one we discussed about data type. Data type describe what type of data it is. Is it a string? Is it numeric? Is it variable char? That is combination of both. Okay, this variable and character. Okay, so we're calling this 45. Okay, should not be more than 45 letters altogether. Character should not be more than 45, and then I'm using this as my primary key, and it should not be. It's not null. Like this, NN means not null. Okay, down with this. All right, the next thing we have in here is the product name. Okay, product name can use variable char too. And if you like, we can use text long. We have different data type here. You can use long text. Long text. That is, it can contain a very long statement. Okay, it's also unique. Then we also have price of the product. All right, this is integer. That is a value string. It's a number rather. Okay, this integer is 64 bits usually, at 2-bit rather. So this is integer. It's also null, not null. Okay, so we have ID product, product name, and price. Right, so we're going to save this. So to do that, you click on apply. Then you have this. This is a preview of what you are doing. You are reviewing it. And after then you click on apply again. Then it said it has executed successfully. Click on finish. So we are done with this table. The next thing we'll be doing is we want to add another table. Okay, so you right click, create table. It's another table. So this table, we have a product. Okay, this table now will be for customer. Then let's add. We have a customer ID. We can make it variable chart too if you want, and we can make it numbers. So let's make it number. Okay. Okay. Then we have the next one. We have the name of the customer. A customer have a name. These are attributes. Okay. We can make this. We can make this variable chart too. We can, if you like, we can increase this size. What is inside the parenthesis is the size. We can make this 60. Okay. Then we have this. You check on not null. That is NN. Then we have address. Address. Not can increase this because the address may be long sometime. It's as 100. Then we have the product name that the person product are you buying. Okay, not now. Okay, we can save this. So you click on apply. Click on apply again. I haven't reviewed it, and click on finish. So we're done with that. Can close this here. Okay, if you click on the drop down under your navigator, you can see we have customer table, we have products. You say I want to add more to it, right click on the table, click on create table, right, then the name of this should be order. Order in the sense as what did they order for, what did they purchase. Okay, then here you can have let's look for what should we have, order ID, or we should have the product they are ordering for. Okay, you can have product ID here too. You can have you can have okay, order ID, product name, product name. Okay, then we have here quantity. Product name is not integer, please. It's variable char. It's variable char. That is varchar. Okay, where is it? Varchar. Okay, then you can put what you have in. You can put 45. That is the size of it. Then quantity is integer. Okay, it's 32. So not now. Okay, then we have the price per unit. Price per unit. Click on this. Okay, we have integer data and blog. This is price. We can just use floats. Okay, because let's use floats. Okay, this have decimal place, so I just can make room for decimal value. Okay, then total price. Total price. Total price. Total unit price rather. Unit price. Alright, as well can make this decimal. 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 What is it? This is it. Okay, so let's go. Click on apply. Alright, you can see saying the server is configured with lowercase table names, which only allows lowercase characters in schema. Because we created our schema with lowercase, you see the notice? Alright, click on OK, then click on apply. Okay, so we've created uh, order, so we can see that here. We have order, product. Now what we are left with now is to populate our table. So to do that, let's come here. We are in customer now. So if you look at this, we have different options here. One that looks like a table, you click on it. Now it has showed up. Now you can then begin to populate. Right. So to do that, I'll show you two ways. Here, let's assume the customer ID is cost one, a name, pizza. We just got pizza. Okay, we'll come to the second one. So can use this one. All right. Two cost two. The name. Okay. Then click on apply. Apply. Okay, look at it. See, there's an issue with it. All right, it's showing that we declare the data type to be integer, and what we are entering is not integer. So let's quickly check and see the issue. Okay, so click say our customer. See, we have integer here, and we are using, so we can change this, or we stick to what we have. Let's check what we have here. So this is for customer, as customer ID. Do we have any other one as customer ID? So you click on this settings. Let's see. Okay, product name is varchar. Okay, let's check this again. It's for product now. Okay, product ID is varchar. Product ID is varchar. Yeah, product ID here. Let's check product ID. Yeah, no product ID. Okay, so let's take note of that. We have seen where the error is. So we declared for customer, the customer ID is is integer, so it can only take numbers. It cannot take mixture of letters and numbers together. So let's go back, click on this. All right, so let's populate it again. So since it's integer, that is one. This guy is from Lagos. So when you are doing yours, you can populate it as much as you can. Okay, this is Cameroon, and this is ice cream. Ice cream. So another way you can also populate, click on this form editor. You can see it. Let's move to the next one. This is number 3. This guy is from Rwanda and purchased a book. All right, so let's test and see. Click on apply and then click on apply again. So successfully inserted. Okay, we have populated our data sets. Okay, now I've shown you how to populate for this. Let me do for other two. Okay, for other is varchar place. So we can use P1, assume we bought two quantity, unit price, let's assume is this, and the total was 4,006. The other guy P2, and he bought assume one 300, and this 100, and this P3, let's assume 1 2, unit price is 4, okay, times also 400. Okay, okay, product name, sorry, let's quickly correct this. It's product, not product ID. Product name, pizza, pizza, ice cream, book. Okay, also the purchase, pizza, ice cream, book, quantity, price, and total. Then click on apply. Click on apply again successfully. Then next one we've done for customer, we've done for order is product. So look at it, click on this table like. Then you populate ID P1 is varchar. Okay, okay. So we have pizza. P2 we have ice cream. P3 we have book. Can have so many items here. Okay. Uh, this is product. Okay, so we have so many items here. This was for 4,000. Okay. This is 300. This is 400. Okay, so we can apply and save. We can apply. All right, so we successfully done that. So today, basically, what we learned was to create a database, that is your schema, and to create tables, to create column, and to populate it. All right, so I will advise you to try this and populate your table with 10 or 20 different items. All right, and then send it to the group. If you have not subscribed, I urge you to please subscribe and attempt all the tasks. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to share and invite your friends to follow as well.